Day 7 of our 108 sacred items. Today we charge the shower. Let the water fall on you like the blessings from the heaven. Close your eyes or open your eyes as you feel so. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Stand tall and place your palms on your shower head and say softly in your heart, Reiki flow, flow, flow. This creates an energy shower that cleanses your etheric body as it cleanses your physical skin. Follow for part 8 the sacred shampoo to cleanse your crown.